Hello, ABAPers and SAP consultants. Welcome back to our SAP Enhancement series. In the last sessions, we have been already covered all the options that overview of all the options that are available to enhance or configure the SAP standard system or software as per our organization's needs. I will give the short recap for the same. We will proceed with the today's agenda. We have already explored the overview of all the options available for modifying your SAP system and outlined the guidelines that enables you to decide which option uh, to be used. These are the options available for the modification, adjustment and customization of the SAP standard ERP software. That is the first one is the personalization. Second one is the modification. Third one is the enhancement. We will explore one by one these options in the successive sessions as well. So overview has been already been provided. These the options are be subdivided into the change levels that we have to be considered while adjusting the or enhancing the SAP softwares. The first one is customization. Customization is nothing but we are configuring the pre-built SAP softwares to according to our organization structure or our business processes. For that one, we have been multiple tools available into the available provided by the SAP. Utilizing these one, we can be configure the SAP standard system according to our business needs. For that one, we can use the implementation guide or we can also use the SAP reference IMG. In the last session, we have already been explore how to create the division with the help of SAP reference IMG. Right now in today's session, we will try to explore the options for the personalization. How can we personalize the SAP system to accelerate or simplify our approach to access the SAP system? In upcoming successive sessions, we will be explore remaining three options, that is modification, enhancement, and customer development. But we have also checked the already checked the which options we should have to be utilized for the same. For that one, we have been given the complete decision making flow for the same. If the business requirement is fulfilled with the customization or personalization, we can use the one of them at once. After that, if we do not meet the requirement for the same, then we should have to try for the customer development. Means the custom program we should have to be developed with our own and provide the solution to the client. Otherwise, we can be go with the CSP. That is the SAP provided or SAP partner provided solutions that are available into the SAP marketplace that we can be explore and we provide to the client. So it is a proven solution and that are available into the market and we can be implemented into our system as well. These solutions will be CSP solutions usually available into the customer name the SAP partners namespace. If this alternate solution is not available, in that case we should have to be go with the enhancement. If the SAP provide an enhancement options for the particular scenario, then we should have to be use these enhancement option and equip or enhance the SAP standard system to the next level and for the our business requirement for the our business requirements. If the enhancement options is not available, and we should have to be uh, create the separate development, then custom development with or without SAP object as a template means we can copy and create the one customizing object that we with the utilization of the few objects of the SAP standard objects, and we can create the new solution for the same that we can be utilize that one as it is. We can utilize the template of the SAP standard objects or SAP partial SAP objects we can be utilized. In the modification, we should have to be try to avoid the modification directly into the SAP standard. We try to keep the clean core, the SAP standard application. Otherwise, it will be create the issues while system upgrades. So version mismatching create the issues and manual corrections will be the handover should have to be handled by the client only. So it will become uh, try to avoid the modification instead of other all the applications options we should have to be utilized. Try to avoid the modifications that we have been learned into the last session. For the customization, we have been checked that R3 procedure model or implementation guide or SAP reference IMG that is available for the configuring the SAP standard system as per the business requirement. For that one, we have been last session, we have checked how to create the division for the customer. Right now, this is the today's agenda that how can we personalize the system. Personalization can help you to accelerate and simplify the processing of the SAP business scenario by users. With the personalization, you can adjust the individual application transaction to meet the business needs or your company as a whole, or all the needs of specific user group in your company. All unnecessary information and functions found in the transaction are deactivated. Using the personalization, you can also simplify an application without having to use the ABAP workbench. Means without modifying any repository objects, we can be utilize this one. Just like global display attributes or allow you to define the default values for the specific screen fields, or you can also suppress the individual fields, table control column into the particular transaction or a whole screen. The personalization menu, such as the rule-based menus, favorite, shortcuts on the desktop, allow you to adjust the menu sequences to reflect the needs of the different user groups in your company. These administrative tasks or administrative configuration that we can be performed through the personalization. We will be check few of them. How to can we personalize the system? So we should have to be logged to the personalization. So we should have to log into the system first and check the options available for the same. So we should have to be go to the VA03, that is the sales order display menu that we have been. So we can select one of the sales order in that one. If we go to the sales order, in this sales order, if you see this sales order is there in this one. In this one, if you see this first date, once we have been created the sales order, in that one we have filled all the details. In that one, if you see this one, is the first date. This is the available right now. If you see this is the administrative icon over here. You can click onto this configuration icon. In this one, we can go to the administration, and in this one, we can go to the first date. If you see this, the first date is the blank. This one, the invisible equal to the blank. It is the first. That's why it's being visible. So we can mark this as a true, invisible equal true. So it will be disappear this column. So this type of personalization is possible into the SAP, so we can avoid the unnecessary details from the end user. If you see this one, the column is disappeared. So this type of personalization is possible into the. I will show you the one more trick for the personalization. We can came back to the SAP Easy Access. There is the first screen of the our system. In that one, if you see this, this is the SAP favorite. So in this favorite menu, we can go and insert the transaction here. I will object navigator. I will add yes, 80 the transaction code for the object navigator. If I add this one, so the object navigator here is it is being added now. If we have this descriptive navigator, if you wanted to check the um, T code of the same as well, so we can go to the extras, then settings. Here we can check the display. technical name as well. So if you click onto this one, the technical name also appear here over here. In the last scenario, we have been check the tools. The tools we have been check for the customization, IMG, and here you execute SPRO. If you go to the SPRO, is the T code for the IMG. For that one, from SPRO, we can also customizing usually we do from the SPRO for that one. So this type of personalization is possible. Also, we can be set the values for the people. A03 will check whether it is a default value is possible for the same, not for the VS03 is A3. If we A01 for that one sales organization can we create. This is the parameter ID. In this one, we can go to the T code. SU003. Go to the system, user profile, user profile, user data, go to the parameter. If you wanted to sit here, this is the parameter. What was the parameter ID right now? VKO, right? Then we should have to go to the VK1. VK, and here we will put 1000. Sales organization automatically reflect. We are saving this one. We are came back. Right now we are pressing the VA01. If we press this one, it is automatically 1000 is coming. This is the text type. Like this one, we can create the personalization individual basis, or we can pass the default values for the same using this administration work. Okay, this is called as a personalization. Set and get parameter that we have done. So we are minimizing this one right now. The personalization variant transaction, the variant that we can be save the data for the particular further. Thanks for today's session. In the successive sessions, we will be explore the next options, that is for the enhancement, modification, and for the customer development as well. Thanks for today.